So you have $1,000, you want to start dabbling in the stock market. Let's talk about how you guys can do that the proper way, in my personal opinion, and we'll also talk about what not to do with your first $1,000, whether it's your first $1,000 or you just have $1,000 now to invest. Let's talk about first what not to do. So let's say you have $1,000. What not to do would be to go and gamble, speculate, and try and turn this 1,000 to 10,000, 15, 20,000 very quickly. That's what you should not do. So don't trade penny stocks. Don't throw your money in short-term call options, put options. That is what, honestly, I can't tell you what to do, but I'm not a financial advisor, and that's why I can't tell you. But that is what, from my experience, and trust me, I've been through it, guys, that's what not to do. You will lose your shirt doing that. You'll lose your 1,000, and then you will be very discouraged. So with that out of the way, let's talk about what you could do. I'm not telling you what you should do, but I'm saying what you could do here, in my opinion, to invest it properly. You could split this money, let's say 500 and 500, and go ahead and buy two blue chip companies, right? Two blue chip stocks. Blue chip means it is a long-standing company in terms of a long track record, profitability, growth, a very strong moat or a competitive advantage. That is one thing you can do. Split the money 50-50, and then boom, you have two stocks. You could also buy one ETF with $1,000, whether it's VOO, the S&P 500 ETF, which gives you exposure to 500 U.S. companies, right? The 500 largest U.S. companies. You could also put that money in VTI, which gives you exposure to the entire U.S. stock market, or you can buy something like VT, which is the total world fund, which gives you exposure to the entire world. That's also something you can do. Another option could be just splitting it up into 4 individual stocks, or maybe one ETF with $500. Let's say the S&P 500 with $500, and then maybe 2 individual stocks, maybe $250 in, let's say, Google stock, and maybe another $250 in, I don't know, Disney stock or something like that, right? It really depends on your risk tolerance, your time horizon, and nobody can really tell you exactly what to buy because nobody knows your exact situation. So keep that in mind. Drop me a comment. Let me know any questions and follow along for more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Now, I'm going to get my Starbucks. I made this whole video in Lime. I'll see you guys later.